Okay, so to download Forge, first you'll want to go to the Forge website. You want to go to Minecraft Forge. So we are getting 1.12.2. Make sure you download the recommended. You're gonna want the Windows installer because it's what you have, right? So you click right here. Alright, so don't be alarmed right here. Be very careful on this page, alright? So you're gonna get ads, but if you come up here, you can press the skip button. You want to do that, and then your Forge opens. Alright, and you can close this because we won't need it anymore. And because I already have it, I'm just gonna delete it because I don't want it in this empty recycle bin. Okay. So now that we have Forge, we need Java. Okay, so you're gonna want to come here and you go Java, agree and start free download. And I already have this, so I don't need it. But I forgot one part. So we're gonna go back to Forge. Oh, what? Okay. So 1.12, 1.12.2. Wait. No. Okay. So you're gonna download recommended. You're gonna come here. Alright, here's a refresher. Please wait 2 seconds, alright? You wanna press the skip button, because then open when done. Just wait for it to load. Okay. So you'll get this thing right here. Alright? So don't change anything. Just click OK. Okay. So now that you have Forge installed, you can open your Minecraft launcher and see that there is a new game right here. It will be called 1.12.2 Forge, like that, unnamed installation. I have 1.9, 1.14, everything. Right? So you open it up.
Everything's zero. Everything's bubbled up. Everything's good. Oh my god.
And there we go. So I will start a world. And if it has a crash for some reason, I don't know why it does that. That's just my computer. It'll be fine.